Hi, I'm Barry and I'm a product specialist at Win Kelly Chevrolet Buick GMC in Clarksville, Maryland. This is the 2018 GMC Terrain. It's all new for 2018. What's new about it? Well, everything. It's a whole new redesigned model, new body work, new headlight design, new features on the interior, and a new wheel design to complement the vehicle's overall appearance. Let's take a look at some of these features up close. The new 2018 Terrain has a unique floating roof design. All of the pillars have been blacked out to give it the illusion of a floating rooftop. The vehicle also comes equipped with available push-button entry system. When you walk up and you have the key somewhere on your person, just press the button to lock and unlock your doors. It also comes equipped with a standard sport wheel design, which is all new from GMC. It gives it a nice radical flair to the outside appearance. Let's take a look at some of the interior features and what makes this vehicle so different. Stepping into the 2018 Terrain, the first thing that you'll notice that's completely different is it has a push-button transmission. This is called electronic precision shift from General Motors. The benefit of it is it allows for more console space for your personal belongings. The way it works is you press a button to make adjustments, pushing P for park, N for neutral, and low for your low gear selectors. For drive and reverse, you pull on the two tabs for making adjustments. Make sure you always step on the brake before shifting out of park for safety. The 2018 Terrain comes in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive applications. This isn't new for GMC. What is new is if you get the all-wheel drive version of the vehicle, you now have a mode selector dial on your center console. This dial allows for you to put it in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, off-road mode for aggressive driving in the middle of the woods, or if you wanted to tow something, there's even a tow mode which includes a hill descent control. This is a nice new feature and it gives you more control over your vehicle than in the previous body style. The GMC Terrain has a very nice power liftgate option. On available models, you can actually kick your foot underneath the vehicle to actually open the hatch. And it's also a programmable hatch. You can control how high you want it to open. If you want it to stop at about eye level, you can program the hatch to stop at eye level. That way, if you have a low-hanging garage, you're not going to scuff the paint on the ceiling of your garage. Inside the trunk, we'll notice that it has a flat loading floor. This is a composite cover that can support up to 250 pounds of weight on top of it. And it's very lightweight to remove. If you needed extra room in the back of the vehicle, you could leave this at home, and that way you have about another 5 inches of depth for storage of large items. The all-new 2018 GMC Terrain. It puts the sport in sport utility vehicle. Check one out today at Win Kelly Chevrolet Buick GMC in Clarksville, Maryland.